So I'm gonna show you how I'm cutting this molding for a wall like that with literally just this. So all you gotta do is buy these base cap moldings from Home Depot and this thingamabob. It's called a miter shear. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna move it to 45-degree angles. So you're gonna cut these pieces at a 45-degree angle on both ends. But when you look at it, you can see it kind of looks like the top of a T or something. So this right angle is pointing to the right, and this right angle over here on this side is pointing to the left. So I'm gonna, and this will help ensure that when you go on those corners over here, they connect together. So when you measure the distance of what you need to cut, you want to measure from the top end, not the bottom, the top part. And this one I cut too long, so I'm gonna cut it at the 22-degree line and mark it there because that's where I want the corner to be. So that means I'm gonna cut it from here to down here. So I marked where I need to cut at that line right here. So now this line, you can see on this tool, there is a line right here. See? So I'm gonna match that line right up to where that line is. And I'm gonna make sure that the back of the molding where it's going to touch the wall is laying completely flat on this piece right here. And hold it there so it doesn't move. Lucky there. So it's not like perfect, but you can trim it down or just put it up and it's just like that.